Okay, Carrie, what are you doing today?
I'm actually putting down a floating floor, a wood plank floating floor, because I took up the carpet and I had to put moisture barrier down here. So now I'm putting down a wood plank floating floor. And what I did, I actually cut under the floor molding, so I didn't have to take it up. And I'm placing the plank floor under the floor molded, and this part here I'm gonna just put some quarter round going all the way across, and that's it.
Okay. Could you tell them about how I didn't see the vision at first?
Well, she didn't see the vision at first because of the earth tone colors, and also it has gray in it too, and it actually goes with anything that you actually have going on in this particular house. So she didn't understand. So after I started putting it down and stuff like that, then we actually came into agreement.
And I love it.
And she loves it.
I do. He did such an excellent job and is doing such an excellent job. Thank you, Carrie.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome.